Flashbot is a building delivery robot from Pudu Robotics that can take the elevator to provide safe and reliable room delivery. It is equipped with 3 top-tier built-in RGBD camera sensors and customized LiDAR SLAM for in-depth obstacle avoidance, including 3D mapping and localization, path planning, autonomous navigation, object recognition. The IoT technology allows operating instructions to be transmitted between Flashbot and other devices in the building via a cloud-based network connection. This enables Flashbot to take elevators automatically for delivery across floors. The compartment features a UV germicidal lamp that offers a sterilization rate of up to 99.9%. NextBot is also by Pudu Robotics. Pudu D1 is a quadruped robot designed for last-mile delivery. It is equipped with Pudu Robotics' proprietary core components, including high-performance joint modules and master control board with high computing power. Pudu D1 addresses the challenge of effectively completing a delivery while traveling diverse terrains. It has excellent navigation and obstacle avoidance ability and intelligent human-computer interaction experience. You will need to contact Pudu to find out prices, as these were not available at the time of this video. Holobot is a delivery robot that can be used to deliver goods and services to customers. It is designed to be easy to use and can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks. Some of its features include autonomous navigation, obstacle avoidance, voice recognition, facial recognition, temperature control. Holobot can be used in a variety of settings, such as hospitals, hotels, and restaurants. It can be used to deliver food, medicine, and other items to customers. Holobot uses a combination of sensors and software to navigate autonomously. It is equipped with a multi-sensor fusion technology that allows it to identify its location and avoid obstacles. It can also recognize voice commands and gestures. Holobot can be programmed to follow a specific path or to navigate freely in an environment. Next up is the Zipline Medical Drone Service. Medical staff at remote hospitals and clinics place orders with Zipline. A fulfillment operator receives this order and prepares the medical products into a special delivery package with a parachute. Zipline delivers medical supplies including blood, rabies, vaccines, and anti-venom to thousands of hard-to-reach health clinics in Rwanda and Ghana. They have also partnered with the Rwandan government to launch the world's first commercial drone delivery service, ferrying vital medical supplies to its far-flung hospitals by air. An independent study of Zipline's impact on the health system in Ghana found that Zipline's drone delivery service shortened vaccine stockouts, decreased inventory-driven missed vaccination opportunities, decreased days facilities were without critical medical supplies, and increased the types of medicines and supplies. Well done to Zipline for creating an amazing service. Scottish mountain rescue teams have begun using sophisticated drones to search for injured and missing climbers lost in often dangerous and isolated terrain across the Highlands. According to Scotland's Search and Rescue Aerial Association, drones have increasingly become an essential part of the toolkit of mountain rescue. Using a DJI M30T drone, helping rescue teams in several ways. They can be used to search for injured and missing climbers in dangerous and isolated terrain across the Highlands. Drones can also be used to help rescue teams assess situations before they arrive on the scene. This can help rescue teams prepare for the situation and ensure that they have the right equipment and resources to deal with it. The drones can also be used to help rescue teams find people who are lost or injured in remote areas. They can cover large areas quickly and provide real-time images of the terrain, which can help rescue teams locate people more quickly. They have been very successful in search and rescue scenarios so far, with data showing that more than 300 lives have been saved by drones in search and rescue scenarios since 2013. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.